It's an important unit.
And this, my friends, is the L unit I just removed from the ship.
That doesn't look like an L at all. Unless you count lowercase.
You know we don't.
Whoever did this was strong. This is 340 pounds of Tonka tough steel.
It should look like this. But instead, it looks like this.
Who would do a thing like that?
Who could do a thing like that? And by that, I mean this.
Well, gang, it looks like we have another mystery on our hands.
I better make a chart of the suspects. I'll begin by drawing a line with my straight edge. Sweet lamprey of Santa Fe! My edge has been bent!
My javelin, too! It's ruined! Now we'll never beat Jupiter State!
My Swanky! My cuddly little pet Swanky!